Hey guys, what's up? This is Austin with Support. In today's quick training video, I wanted to walk you through how to use this software as a day trader. So this includes day traders, options, whatever you're doing on a short time frame. This is how you can profit using the software. All right, so as all investors and traders need to do, they need to find stocks, they need to know where to buy stocks, and then they need to get alerted and stay up to date. So let's start off with the screener, which is going to help us find some amazing stocks. All right, so we're going to start off with the stocks ready to explode, that default search. So you can see here, now we have 26 stocks, and we're going to want to change it a bit for a day trader, right? So we're going to want to look for stocks that have a short hold time period. So I'm going to add the average hold time period as 5. We're going to see what we can do there. Let's add 5 to that. An accuracy of 75 would be good. Last change is fine. I'm going to increase this up to 500,000. Looks like we can't find anything. Let's go 300,000. Just because we want a stock to be liquid, right? We want to have a stock that has a lot of volume so we can quickly get in and out of that stock. Yeah, and this is going to be our list right here. So we have 21 stocks from this list. And now, again, as a swing trader, we're looking for volatility. We're looking for stocks that move a lot. And the way that we can do this on the screener is by looking at the take profit return. So we're going to sort that by the highest return first. So now we have stocks that move a lot, because stocks that move a lot have a high projected take profit. So we can see a 43, a 42, a 41. So we have 10, TWO, and THO. And so now we can kind of get our day trading stocks from here. And so let's start off with TWO, because that's a $7 stock. That's a great price range for day trading. Okay, so as we can see here, this stock is projected to go higher at the moment where we are in. We have a 1 to 4 risk to reward, meaning that we risk $1 to make $4, and this is going to be a great stock to look at. There's already 37 users who have this on their watch list and planning to buy, so that's really good to see. And again, you can kind of break down the plan and what's going on right here as well. So again, if you want to look at the fundamentals, which really isn't important for day trading, you can do that there. And then we can also, this is amazing, and the reason why I wanted to come down here and show you is that the similar stocks is based off how the stock is performing, right? It's based on stocks that are roughly the same price in the same sector with the same recommendation. You can see here, ET is probably a good stock, so let's just take a look at ET. Let me just make sure the stock symbol on that. Yeah, ET. Let's go there. ET. Energy transfer. I don't think that's the right one. Yeah, here we go. So you can see here that we're projected to get higher, and we have a great buy. And we can see here that we have 21 users watching this one. That's really good. It has a pretty decent accuracy rating and a high profit. This is going to be something that we really want to look into. And then you add this stock to your watch list as stocks that you're watching, so that now you can stay up to date and alerted with it. You can go to our watch list, and we can see that right here that it's on our list. And guys, this is how you use the software to profit for day trading. And again, something that I did want to mention, if we go here, we can also change to the 1 minute chart, and so we can see an active real-time view of what the stocks are doing. We can kind of even break it down. Again, real-time takes a bit longer to load here. But what we can see is we can even add the candlesticks. We can see what's going on with this stock, and we can add indicators and things that we want to see with this stock. All right, guys, I hope this makes sense. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next training.